Doing social media seems like a really easy job from the outside. However, in reality, a lot of content creators spend a lot of time, effort, and money investing in gear that will make their quality content really high tier. Whether you're an artist, musician, cosplayer, vlogger, streamer, whatever type of content creator you are, quality is the key to growth. So, what are the essentials to high quality content? Hello there, it's Manic Pixie Danny, and I love making videos and music on my main channel. And on this channel, I share with you educational videos about content creation tips and tips as well for Gank. So if you want to learn more, then keep on watching. Okay, let's be real. If you want to take content creation seriously, you would need to have an entrepreneurial mindset. Part of this is investing in your gear or investing in your business. I'm not referring to investing in every single gadget that's trending nowadays, but more of the essentials and learning how to maximize them. Other than this, it is also utilizing the right platforms in order to grow the best way. Speaking of maximizing, we're doing a huge giveaway for Christmas season. Merry Christmas, guys! If you're a content creator or an aspiring content creator, you're gonna love this giveaway. So make sure you watch until the end for the mechanics. The first essential gadget that you're gonna need is a laptop or PC. Personally, I use a PC. However, I did just start with a laptop and it worked well for me, but eventually I had to upgrade because I wanted more power to be able to stream and edit more videos without it crashing all the time. A decent device would also let you multitask, so even if you have a video editor up, you could still have your browsers running. For example, if you're exporting a video, you could start already editing your thumbnail. So you don't have to, just sit there and wait until your video finishes. You can actually still continue working. My recommended specs are at least 8GB of RAM for your laptop or PC. But if you're gonna be editing gaming content or streaming, I do suggest getting 16GB of RAM. Second, you need a good camera. So you could always start with your iPhone, especially if you have good lighting. But I always recommend eventually upgrading into a DSLR if you can, because the depth of field is undeniably better compared to a phone's. This would separate you from your background and it would just create a different effect. My recommendation would be my Canon M50, which I'm using right now, or you could get the Mark II, which is already available. Speaking of cameras, you would need good lighting. So right now I'm using 2 light sources, and this is because I want to lessen the amount of shadows and harshness on my face and background as well. Light could make a huge difference in your videos. Actually, the grain, the loss of resolution is usually because of lack of lighting. But if you're just starting out, I really do suggest filming during the day because you could take advantage of the sun's light. A sunny day and a window could be your best friend. Although the weather could be unpredictable. So the most practical thing to do is still to invest in a ring light. Some even come with a DSLR holder or phone holder, and it could be a double purpose. Fourth, you will need a good microphone. Now, the type of microphone you need would depend on the usage or the content you're creating. If you're a vlogger who always likes making content outside, then you would probably need a microphone that can be attached to your DSLR, or maybe a microphone that could be attached to your clothes. But if you prefer sit-down videos, gameplay, or streaming, definitely you would need a USB or XLR microphone. If you have a quiet, sound-treated room, by all means get a condenser microphone. Otherwise, go for a dynamic microphone because it would lessen the background noise. Last but not the least, my last suggestion or tip for you to have high quality content is to be on Gank. This isn't exactly gear, but it's a new platform that helps you make more high quality content and communicate with your audience. As a content creator, one of your goals is to monetize your content. However, if you're just starting out, it is quite difficult to connect with sponsors or get brand deals. With Gank, you can sell merchandise, digital goods, and services without a huge following. Also, there's a new feature called pay-per-view, so you can offer exclusive content for your fans without the commitment of typical memberships. On top of this, you can also upgrade your account with Boost. This gives you up to 3 membership tiers, 50 more products, increased file size and uploads, visual share pack, vanity share pack, and more. Basically, everything you need to have a thriving content membership business. Well, that kind of sounds too good to be true. Maybe you just want to give it a try first or see what it's like. Well, if you didn't know yet, our giveaway is actually 10 boosts for this video. You heard that right? We're giving away 10 boosts for 10 creators, 5 on Instagram and 5 on Facebook. So listen up for the mechanics. First, subscribe to both Gank Studios and Gank Now on YouTube. And to next, share this video to your Facebook wall or Instagram stories. And to make sure you tag us and that you're public so that we can see your post. These will be randomly selected after 2 weeks. Basically, Christmas time. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you learned a lot and you want to learn more, please subscribe to Gank Studios and my personal channel, Manic Pixie Danny, so you can see us again next time. Goodbye!